Look at them. They're just waiting. Just waiting. Look at that. I have way too many roosters I have afraid of. I'm seriously afraid that I have way too many roos. The little ones are 5 weeks old today. I don't know, I'll have to look. They were born on May 26th. So, look at these guys. I come out, that's all they want is goodies. They just look out the hole like, hey lady, you gonna give us some food? That's all I get. Hey lady, you gonna bring us some food? I think those two are a boy and girl pair. That I'm wondering is if it's a boy. It's coming up with a comb and he's jumping around, and so is this one with the others. I'm not even sure what to do with all these boys. I hope that that's a little girl. I hope. But I'm pretty sure that that one and Dropkick are boys. And I have an overabundance of boys, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how you tell with a Guinea. Haven't checked that out yet. Anyways, chick flick of the day. Got all the babies. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that crap. They're all like fighting each other. Look at that. See those little ones? They just want to know when I'm here. The only thing they want is food. I think that's a boy right there. See the comb on it? These guys are beautiful. They're all being stupid. I did lose one the other day on Sunday, so I really didn't do a chick flick that day. I felt pretty bad. Couldn't figure out why I lost it. I mean, I know it's hot and I know babies die, but usually once you get them to this point, I don't think they continue to die. Anyways, there's the chick flick of the day. I need to close this before they get stupid. Especially those four. Here, we have all my adults again. It looks like everybody's downstairs. Because y'all, it is hot. I mean, it is just hot. I am going to try to introduce these guys together. I think maybe tonight I'll put them in the puppy pile after dark. And just make sure I'm up before. Because I really want to get my pair out of that cage. But anyways, this is my other adult film. It's an adult chick flick. Cosmo! Cosmo! My ladies are starting to fill out. They're looking good. Or I think they're looking good. These two look kind of tiny, but they're starting to fill out. I think sometime this week, I want to start trying to do fermented feed for these guys. I'm just trying to figure it out and get all my ducks in a row, to use another foul pun. Anyways, I think I got some really pretty puffballs. Or at least they will be. There's a gray butt.